Okay, this video here is regarding some of the materials we'll be using to clean your brushes, your waters, your buckets, all those things, nifty little things to keep your studio clean, your paints clean, your studio organized, and sort of have a good methodology for working. So one of the things I like to use is this bucket over here for various reasons. I also use it to put my water in here, and this little grate that you see right here, and the brushes are primarily used to scrape onto the grate like this, so all the filament, the sediment goes down into the bottom, and your water stays cleaner for a longer period of time. However, I usually have two of these. They're fairly larger in size. You can find these at your local hardware store. Home Depot or Lowe's carries these. These also come in slightly larger to accommodate the larger size bucket. And I would recommend that you get two of these. So you clean your brushes in one first time, and then you go on to the second one the second time. And eventually, when both of them get fairly dirty and muddy, remember to discard the water because you'll be painting with mud otherwise. And I know we tend to get passionate about our work and we lose track of time, and sometimes cleaning your bucket is a real pain in the beep. However, I suggest you do so. Don't get lazy with this. The other thing is pallets. I do use some of these little plates to mix my paints in. Very efficient. And then I also use these ones over here, okay, styrofoam paper plates. Not the most eco-friendly. You know, you can reuse them 2 or 3 times with the same color, but eventually you have to discard it. That's my discard. And there are also paper pallets, the disposable ones that you can kind of rip apart and continue to use. That's it. Next up is the canvas and paper.